Hello YouTube, it's me Jan. Welcome to my channel. Well, first of all, thank you so much for subscribing. We are already 7,000 subscribers. In today's video, I decided to recycle 2 boxes of fruit that were filled with strawberries, paint them, and do a little decoration box to store all of my things. So if you get inspired by this video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, share my video, and leave me a comment below telling me if you like this video, if you tried it out, and which of the 2 boxes is your favorite. In my next video, I'm going to be reading 3 of your comments. So if you want to appear in one, don't forget to leave me a comment. Thank you so much for everything. And let's go and watch the video. I put the camera too high. In this box, I'm going to use fabric in the inside. For this reason, I'm going to remove all of the staples because if we leave them in, they can break the fabric. So I'm basically using pliers and scissors to remove them. I know they're not the proper tools for doing this, but it worked. As you can see, now we have the bottom part separated from the box and we're going to stick it afterwards. Now I'm just going to apply thin coats of white acrylic paint. I needed like 4 coats of white paint to just cover all of the letters that were in the box. And we're going to just paint the outside because the inside is going to have fabric. Once you have painted all your box, we're going to cut out the fabric that we're going to use. We're going to cut a rectangle all around the box, leaving a space of 3.5 inches. We're also going to stick the bottom part that we removed before using a hot glue gun or wood glue. Now that our box is ready, we're going to put on top of the box our fabric and we're going to cut a diagonal line in all of the corners of the box. And now we just have to stick the fabric folding a little bit inside to the box, as you can see right now. This takes a little bit of time, but little by little you're going to see how it turns out amazing. With the edges and the corners, I'm just folding the little triangles to the inside and sticking it using the hot glue gun and securing each part. This you have to do it little by little and see how it looks better. It doesn't have to look perfect. You just need to cover everything properly. Once you finish, it's going to look more or less like this. I really love this. It's so cool. As you can see, I'm just putting a little bit of glue in the parts that I think that need a little bit of retouching. But overall, I am so excited with the result. Woo! Since I took away all of the staples from the box, the bottom part was full of holes, so I decided to cover them using foam. So I'm just putting the box on top of a piece of foam, cutting it, I'm going to stick it using a hot glue gun. And even if you want to, you can put some decorations in the outside. I just decided to put some blue bows that I made using some ribbon. Thumbs up if you want to see a video on how to make these beautiful bows. The other box I went directly to painting. So I'm just using some spray paint with the base coat of a pinky color. But the problem is that it didn't cover the letters. So that's why I decided to go over this paint using some neon acrylic paint that I had. And I really love this color. It's so summery, so colorful. Just by looking at it, it's so refreshing and bright that it makes you love it. For the decoration, I'm just using a Q-tip, acrylic paint and putting some polka dots all randomly around the box. I think this idea is so simple, but it makes it look so cute and I just think it's amazing. What do you think about it? What's your favorite color? If you had to make this, what color would you choose? Tell me in the comments. the other one, I'm using a little bit of ribbon and putting some bows at the sides. And well, it's finished. What do you think about this box? Which one was your favorite? Really, for me it's difficult for choosing, but I think that the pink one is my favorite one. I mean, look at it, it's so beautiful and easy to make. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a like, and I will see you next time. Bye!